Before marrying former beauty queen Sharifa Akeel, Maguindanao 2nd District Representative Toto Mangudadatu stressed she never became his mistress.
Sa huling pagkakataon, nais kong linawin na hindi ko naging kalaguyo si Sharifa kailanman. Pinakasalan ko siya at buong puso akong naniniwala na tinanggap niya ako bilang isang asawa dahil mahal niya ako at hindi dahil sa aking estado.
The politico said this in a video posted on his new wife's Facebook page. Akeel and Mangudadatu tied the knot on August 25 in an Islam ceremony in Cotabato City. They were married a year after their relationship became controversial. Mangudadatu's wife Mylene had accused Akeel of having an affair with the politico.
Yung tapang ni Sharifa, pambihira, sa kabila ng lahat ng hamon at mga masasakit na salitang ibinato sa amin, hindi siya sumuko. Hindi niya ako iniwan. Para sa akin, yun ang tunay na pagmamahal.
The Miss Asia Pacific International 2018 title holder admits the road that led to her husband was not easy.
Year 2015, nung una akong inalok ni Toto ng kasal, I was only 18 years old then. So, I immediately said no doon sa mensahero na pinapapunta niya sa bahay.
Being his wife also meant letting go of her Miss Universe pageant dream.
Bukod sa nakamit kong karangalan ng maging Miss Asia Pacific International, isa talaga sa biggest dream ko ang sumali sa Miss Universe pageant. Ngunit di man natupad, no regrets because right now, I am wearing the greatest and most special crown of all to be Mrs. Sharifa Akeel Mangudadatu.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.